Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about arithmetic mean. If a and b are two given numbers, then their arithmetic mean is given by x, which is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Let us understand this through a geometric representation. On this line segment AB, let the coordinates of point A be A and let the coordinates of point B be given by B, where B is greater than A. Then the coordinates of the midpoint M of this line segment are given by a plus b by 2. So the coordinates are equal to x, right? Here you'll observe that a plus b by 2 and b, they are in arithmetic progression because the difference is same. When certain numbers lie in an AP, their difference is same, right? Let us still find the difference. The difference between the second term and the first term. It's a plus b by 2 minus a, which is a plus b minus 2 divided by 2. That's b minus a by 2. Let us also find the difference between the third term and the second term. It's b minus a plus b by 2, which is this, and that's b minus a by 2. So, we see that the difference is b minus a by 2. You'll also note that the length of AB is b minus a. So what do we see? This difference, b minus a by 2, represents each equal half of this line segment, right? The complete length is b minus a. This half represents b minus a by 2, and so does this half. So we can say that when a plus b by 2, b are in AP, then this term a plus b by 2 is called the arithmetic mean of a and b. Let us find the arithmetic mean of two numbers. 9 and 21. It's given by 9 plus 21 by 2. That's 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. Let us take one more example. We find the AM of negative 11, 82. So it is negative 11 plus 82 divided by 2. 71 by 2, that's equal to 35.5. Now, what if we have to insert n number of arithmetic means between two numbers a and b? We saw the case when we had one arithmetic mean between two numbers. Now, let us insert two arithmetic means between a and b. Let those means be x1 and x2. Now, just as one mean requires dividing the line segment into two parts, two means require dividing the line segment into three equal parts. This is x1, this is x2. Now, when there was one mean, each half of the line segment was represented by the distance b minus a by 2. Now here, the entire line segment is b minus a and it is divided into three equal halves. So the length of each part will be b minus a by 3, which is also equal to the common difference. So let us find the term x1. It will be given by a plus d, right? The first term plus the common difference, which is a plus b minus a by 3. That's 3a plus b minus a, which is 2a plus b by 3. Now let us find x2, which is a plus 2d, right? That's a plus twice of b minus a by 3, and this is a plus 2b by 3. Now let us try and find out how can we insert three arithmetic means between two numbers a and b. In this case, let x1, x2 and x3 be the three arithmetic means. Now, let us look at the line segment AB here. Here, A, x1, x2, x3 and B are 5 quantities in an AP. To find x1, x2, x3, it is necessary to divide the line segment into 4 equal parts, right? Here, the length of each part is b minus a by 4, which is equal to the common difference of this AP as well. Let's find x1. That's a plus d, which is a plus b minus a by 4. So this is 3a plus b by 4. Similarly, we can find x2. That's a plus b by 2. And lastly, we have x3, which is 3b plus a by 4. Now, what if we have to insert n arithmetic means between a and b, where n can be any number? Here, the line segment AB must be divided into n plus 1 equal parts. So the length of each part will be b minus a, the entire length, divided by n plus 1, right? Which is equal to the common difference of that AP. Let's find x1, which is, we know a plus common difference. So a plus b minus a upon n plus 1. Similarly, we can find x2, that's a plus twice of b minus a upon n plus 1. And just like that, we can find the nth term as well, xn, which will be a plus nd. So a plus n times b minus a upon n plus 1. Now that we have a good idea on how to insert n number of arithmetic means between two numbers, let us do one practice problem. Insert 1, 2, 3 and 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 77. So here a is 5, b is 77 and b minus a is 77 minus 5, that is 72. Let's do the first part. We need to insert one arithmetic mean, that is only x1. So the difference is given by b minus a by 2 because there's only one mean. So which is 72 by 2, that's 36. So x1 is a plus d. 5 plus 36, that's 41. Now let us insert two arithmetic means. Here, the line segment will be divided into three parts. So the difference is b minus a by 3. 72 by 3, that's 24. Let's find x1. 5 plus 24 is 29. x2 is a plus twice of d. 5 plus twice of 24 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. Then if we need to find three arithmetic means, the difference is b minus a by 4. 72 by 4 is 18. Let's find x1, that's 5 plus 18. Let's find x2, that is 5 plus 2 into 18 is 36. So that's 41. Similarly, let's find x3. 18 to 3 is 54. 5 plus 54 is 59. Lastly, we insert 4 arithmetic means. So the difference will be b minus a divided by 5. Now the line segment is divided into 5 equal parts. That is 14.4. So x1 is 5 plus 14.4, that's 19.4. x2 is 5 plus 28.8, that's 33.8. Then we'll go on and find x3 and similarly we'll find x4. a plus 4 into d. 4 into 14.4 is 57.6. So x4 is 5 plus 57.6, that's 62.6.